Hello everyone. Today we're rushing as usual to get the train to go to Bern. I'm gonna spend the whole day there and probably hike. Okay, so you'll never guess what. We can't go to the hike because turns out it's a glacier or something like that, whatever, and there's snow. Okay, let me explain what happened here real quick. So we were planning to hike the famous Thrift Bridge. I don't know if you've heard about it. It's insane. It's beautiful. I'll insert a picture. And you could see us in a previous clip, like getting a number to get in line and ask about it, like how to get there and all the details about it. But the guy there told us that it was almost impossible to do it this time of year as it's really high, like 17,000 meters high. Parts of the trail were still covered in snow, still slippery from the glacier, and the weather there is unpredictable, like fog, icy rain, and all of it. So it was really impossible, unfortunately, but it's okay. Maybe one day we'll go back for sure and do it. Really a bad idea for today. So we're gonna go to our dorms, get our outfits, wear cute outfits, and go to Bern, just walk in the city, take pictures. Alright, cute outfit change check. Now we run again. Made it. It's running. So we arrived in Bern.
Dat wäre normal, jetzt tun wir leicht vordrehen, also da innen das Hindernis kommt, das nicht hin. Okay, yeah, this works for this way.
Ja.
Ja, man sieht mal sagen.
And it's raining. It's raining again, and the funny thing is that we brought swimsuits with us. Yeah, funny. We slept for like 30 minutes on and then we're gonna go in the museum. Oh my god. Was ist das für... A little bit nasty. Hey! Today we're in Lauterbrunnen. We need to stop every time we see cows. Swiss cows! We're walking to see the highest falling waterfall in Switzerland, which is Taubach. It's right in front of us. This is the waterfall, the highest falling waterfall in Switzerland. The Swiss Alps. Okay, we need to walk all this to get just close enough to the waterfall. Let's go. So we can't seem to go anywhere in Switzerland without getting all wet. We got all wet from the waterfall. I couldn't even film. So pretty. 10 out of 10.